At the end of the air conditioning season, you want to go ahead and clean out your trap. Um, a lot of people have where it's just solid white. You can't see what's in there, out of sight, out of mind. This one's really nice because you have access points, and they're there for a reason. Look at the nasties in there. Oh my God. And then, this is like a petri dish, and now it's in your airstream, and God knows what's blowing around your house. So, take a half shot glass of bleach, one of these. Go ahead and warm water's great, yes. You might have to do this a couple times until it's clear, but the bleach will kill everything in there and you can sleep safe at night.